So we got a ROG Strix X570 motherboard, the Micro ITX, with a 3060 Ti, and our Ryzen 5800X. Oh, they sent me the wrong processor.
Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech Vibe. Today we are going to be doing a PC build for you guys. My buddy is here with me and he is going to be taking his second crack at building a PC himself. It's not his first time. I'm not going to try to pull the wool over your guys' eyes, but he is going to be taking a crack at building a PC. It's been a while. We're going to check out what kind of parts he's got today and just seeing how he does. Just going to hang back, let him do his thing, throwing a little commentary, talking a little bit of crap, having a little fun with it. So let's check out his parts.
We got a ROG Strix X570 motherboard, the Micro ITX, with a 3060 Ti, and our Ryzen 5800X. Oh, they sent me the wrong processor.
So they really sent you the wrong part?
Well, I mean,
it appears that way.
I have a 3800X. Definitely paid for a 5800X.
Amazon. But you know what? I got him today. Tech Vibe's got him. You know why? Because I got a 5900X here, and we're gonna be helping him out here today. Just go ahead and snatch a Rooski over here. Ooh, my little cave of wonders. Nope, that's a 5900X. He's not getting that one. Sorry, Ryan. A little dusty, but there it is. There she blow. We got him.
So I guess we will start with the motherboard. We'll start by making some room.
That's good. Good idea.
And start with the motherboard. Got our tiny X570 motherboard. Ooh. Angle to it.
It's getting real serious over here.
Yeah, something like that.
Something light. Take care of that.
I appreciate the looking out, because that was the indicator on the top of the processor is.
Sure that's right.
Yeah. That's the little indicator,
okay,
but it's very more way clearer on the bottom. Awful would it be if you're like, sure that's right?
Hey, I just had to,
shove it in there anyways.
Yeah, I just had to check.
Yeah, no, I get it.
Is that it?
Yeah.
The pins look great.
Oh yeah, no, you're right. It's not on that side. This out.
Did you break it?
Oh, I didn't pull it. I didn't do it all the way.
Okay. Now
Once I heard it click back, I realized why it wouldn't come out.
Hey, that's why I'm here.
Hey.
That's why I'm here.
Can't all be perfect.
What kind of RAM we got? Yeah.
Corsair Vengeance RGB white. 32 gigs.
32 gigs?
32 gigs. So the big thing with this build is I recently started CAD as a hobby.
Yeah.
And my computer doesn't like it.
So you need that RAM.
So hopefully, I was thinking 5800X, and twice as much RAM would be meaningful as an upgrade in CAD. I've actually never used an NVMe SSD of any kind.
Really?
Yeah.
You got your M.2 screw?
That's what I was looking. I thought it was
I think
pre-installed.
I think there's one in this floor.
There's probably one in here as well.
All right, fine. Hey, use your own parts.
I just assumed it would be in the hole, but like I said, I've never used one, so I don't know if that's gonna work. Oh, it's working. Oh, is that what you meant when you said hand screw it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I meant. Not take it. Yeah, you got it.
I mean, it's got a thing.
Yeah,
So like, I was technically hand screwing it.
It was up for interpretation, I suppose. You just push it on in. There it is.
Didn't necessarily like the feel of just shoving it.
It's scary. It can be scary. Look at you, Corsair. You can't make the fans connect the dot like Lian Lee, but
oh my goodness,
extra pieces though.
Those Lian Lee fans.
You guys are beautiful. Never short of pieces. I'll give you that. AIOs are probably the biggest holdup to every single build that I've ever done.
I literally had one of them in my hand and was like, I don't know what I'm looking for, Chris.
Yeah, well, I understand that too. So,
all that said, we are just going to use the Corsair fans.
do you have other white fans?
I don't.
Can you see the fans?
Yes. In the long term, I'm going to get the white Lian Lee linking fans.
So we don't get the premiere look tonight, is what he's saying.
But-
We'll forgive you.
But these don't look bad.
We'll forgive you, it's fine.
They're RGB and everything.
Yeah, we forgive you.
I don't know, it doesn't sound like you forgive.
Yeah, we forgive him.
Sounds like holding a grudge.
We forgive him, don't we? We make some room for you, bud. One of our rules, clean spaces. Oh, that thing's... Let's zoom in on that real quick. Okay, we like that.
Basically, this case, I saw this case, and it is the whole reason I wanted to do another build.
Yeah,
Well, I like the increase in productivity that I get if I upgrade my processor, but the case is what made me jump on the option.
He did upgrade his processor though, not if. He's rocking with the toppy.
And I appreciate the helping hand with that upgrade since the ball got dropped a little bit somewhere along the way.
Amazon, I'm just gonna go ahead and say that you owe me a new processor. So that's how I feel about it.
Look at this.
Wow, that's small.
850 watts.
That's smaller than mine.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that is small.
Yeah,
It's not quite.
not that small.
Or 850 watt, I don't know why I said that.
Here you go.
NZXT.
So you know it's good. Sponsor me.
Getting the power supply put in. The one thing about this power supply setup is it does put the power supply at the front of the case. So it has like a jumper cable. And then, so this is the hot swappable SSD.
Oh, there. That's nice.
It just, you take the top off and then right in there, I'll slide it in, and it, as long as we've already hooked it all up,
Yeah.
I shouldn't have to do anything.
Just get it out.
Hey, get at it.
Just do it.
So, like I said, I've never done it yet. Do you mount the fans to it?
Yes, you do.
So like without mounting it to the, like, or do the same screws do the both?
So these screws here should be the longer screws that are going to mount into here.
And then another set
And
of
then
screws
another
will go.
screw, yeah.
Okay.
To have a cleaner building experience, it's always good to clean up your area.
Yeah.
I've got more experience, so it's fine.
Not doing that.
He doesn't have the experience. You know, I mean, the guy can't even order the right CPU.
How massive this card is for a 3060.
And 3060 Ti, that thing should stay plenty cool with that bigger cooler on it.
Yeah, it's got pass-through air as well.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, look how close this is to just not fitting in here at all.
And is it gonna fit in there?
Yeah. This is gonna be gross.
Oh, he's a shover.
It is definitely not in at all.
Yeah, no.
But like I meant, now that it's positioned in the case. There it goes.
Is it going?
Somewhat. Went a little bit. Oh!
You're right.
That screw is in the way.
I tried to tell him to get that screw. It's in. It snapped. That thing's taking up the whole case.
Told you.
That's a beefy beef.
Chunky boy. Oh, probably ought to plug
Yeah.
in PCIe power. Oh, this is gonna be tougher than I expected.
Can he do it? Well, let's see how I did. All that's left is the little posty post test. Is it gonna start up? Yeah, we'll get there. There it is. It is live. What we got going? Just collecting some system info. Those fans are super loud.
And they're still on full blast. I haven't messed with the fan curves at all.
First blood.
Marking our surroundings. First blood.
Round one.
The battle begins. Taking a moment to heal. Coming.
Phasing.
Scanning the area.
This time I'm down.
It's go time.
So guys, there's the video. If you are interested in trying to pick up some of the parts that we used today, I'll have the links in the description for them if you want to try to build this yourself. I know I'm particularly interested in this case that we used today. It was a very nice case. It was a very thought out case. I thought it was cool, and I've not got to do an ITX build myself, so I'm interested in this. But guys, I'll have the links there if you want to check it out yourself. And guys, we got some tech news videos coming, some reaction videos coming. We're trying to get this thing rolling like we were before. There's stuff to actually talk about now. So, hey, we're going to be here. We're going to be doing this. So, hope to see you. I hope you can like. I hope you can subscribe. And if not, well, hope to catch you in another one. And remember, it's a vibe. A tech vibe, specifically. We'll see you.